Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel. I'm TheeKagoSaul, but some call me Kagodina with the cuteness, Minaj. The baddest in the school, the baddest in the game, the baddest with the bars in his own fucking lane, and this is my channel. Hi. So, what I wanted to do for this video is allow you guys opportunity to hear all the things you could do to make money in the year of growth and prosperity, right? We all know that it's a new decade, it's a new year, and so in 2020 I want to start by saying Happy New Year, bitch. How you doing? How you good? Are you popping? Cause I'm popping. Did I just steal someone's intro? Oh my god, I'm sorry. I feel like I did. Denzel, I'm sorry, that was not on purpose. Anyways, I hope you're good, I hope you're glowing, right? What I wanted to do for this video is remind you that it's the year of growth, the year of prosperity, the year of money, the decade of creating generational wealth. And darling, if you don't do that, if you don't become a success, if you aren't great at what you do, don't blame anybody but you. I'm telling you this because why? I've ran businesses. I've shut down businesses. They might not have been the Googles of the world, but I ran a business, so I know what I'm saying. And before we get into the things you can do to make money, please remember, don't judge the method when the money smells just the same. Period. Did you hear me?
Don't judge the method when the money smells just the same.
So, there are numerous ways to make a passive income. So, let's start by understanding that we live in a digital era, in the fourth revolution. And so if you're trying to monetize your content, then you need to make sure that you're not only projecting out who you are, but also your passions and the things you work with. So for example, I shoot my videos on a Canon, and so I should be reaching out to Canon and getting a brand affiliated sponsorship with them. You know, and that's one way you can make money. It's so important that you remember that numbers do not necessarily dictate whether you can become a brand affiliate, right? So, especially on YouTube, you can get monetized only once you reach 1,000 subscribers, but brands can reach out to you from anything as little as 100 subscribers. And so, make sure that your content is clean, your content is great, your content is reflective of who you are, the brands you're representing, the products you're representing, and brands will reach out to you. And if they don't reach out to them, most often because there's so much content that's being put up on the internet, it is easy to get lost in the whirlwind, right? So put your content out there, make sure it's heard. Secondly, most of us have just left high school or first year and second year, and so we have a bit of a grasp on the requirements of those levels of education. And so guys, become a tutor. That is one of the easiest ways you can make money. Your mouth speak for you, and start by engaging with your parents' friends, your guardians' children or your siblings. Oh my god. But you know what I'm trying to say. Reach out, put your content out there, put your mocks out there. You worked for those, and so find out how much people in your area are charging, what subjects you best excel at, and literally watch YouTube videos on how to make your content for tutoring more accessible, therefore growing your network of people who come and hire you. It's an easy way to make income. Invest some of that money. Honestly, invest that in yourself. Invest that in bettering your craft, in bettering your tutoring. And who knows, maybe you can start your own tutoring company when you're in third year, because you're a bad bitch. Thirdly, you can start an e-store. Now, a lot of us have so many things that we want to get rid of and just don't know what to do with them. And it would be very nice if you could make a couple of $100 on items that you no longer need. And like I said, guys, we live in a digital era. Literally start your store on Instagram or find an online platform that allows you to retail things you no longer want at a cheaper price than what you bought it for. They'll take a certain commission, but you will not be getting rid of it for free. But if you want to get rid of it for free, don't let me stop you guys. Donate. That just isn't passive income, that's being a global citizen. And today we're talking about making money. That's what we're talking about. There's nothing wrong with being a global citizen. Do your part for charity, always. Now, speaking of e-stores, the Sanctuary Thrift Studio by your boy Kahuna with the cuteness, this one here, has officially added an e-store to their repertoire of places you can shop. The Sanctuary is not just a thrift store. It is a thrift studio which specializes in styling people using thrifted clothing for both commercial and personal photo shoots and events, in just doing our part for social change. Guys, thrift. So, another way to make passive income is by becoming a voiceover artist. And now, a lot of us have been told, oh darling, you sound eloquent, you sound delicious, you sound exquisite. And so, capitalize on that. Go to your nearest radio station, ask them if they have any voiceover tasks that they need done. Showcase yourself, showcase your work. Search online for voiceover artist gigs in Joburg or in whatever part of the world you're in, and literally try it out. The worst that can happen is you don't get the job, but you still got the voice, so you're still a bad bitch and you never lost the voice. You hear what I'm saying? And then you can literally become a part-time worker, right? And now I can, girl, I hear you. Please, ma'am, I understand you don't want to do manual labor, but guys, having a CV with a bit of work experience always goes the long way. If you're planning on being a full-time student, then I don't recommend that, right? But if you are just trying to find your feet and find your ways around the things that make the things to be the things that are the things, then find a part-time job as either a waiter, a receptionist, and just offer your skill there. Fifthly, or sixthly, nextly, if you're a creative, and I mean you're already here, so that you're definitely a creative or in the making, use your talents. Now, I'm a photographer. I'm gonna use my talents, girl. You can book me. Listen here. You can book me for your MDs, for your SDs, for your EDs, for your GDEs. Listen, you can book me for anything, right? And I will be there. You can hit me up in the DMs or respond to my business email. Link will be in the description, and I'll come shoot your event. Honestly, please book me. Another thing you can do to make money is, if you're not staying in res, or if you stay close to a residential area, you can offer to walk people's dogs and make a couple of extra 100 rands a week. I mean, people are so busy, especially during the week, that they don't have time to walk their dogs. So you could do that, darling. And also, above that, on weekends you can offer to wash people's cars. People are so used to going to car washes, but if you bring the service to them, if you go around handing out your flyers, your numbers, and the days you're willing to come clean their car every second week, your rates, I'm telling you, that makes it so much more convenient than people having to drive out of their homes and go to the nearest garage and pay excessive amounts. You know what I'm saying? Now, I know these are like, they seem basic, but let me tell you, you're gonna be in there, darling. Girl, there is one thing I didn't mention though, and maybe I should, because I'm all about advocating for all types of work. Let me tell you, an OnlyFans. Who's it? And so finally, let me tell you something. The last way that I'm gonna give you to make money for this video is, you can become a sanctuary ambassador. What did I say? What? Girl, you heard me. Let me tell you, Sanctuary Ambassadorship starts in February 2020. More details are coming out on that. You could live anywhere in the country, and if you're selected to be a Sanctuary Ambassador, you will get, I probably shouldn't say this, become a Sanctuary Ambassador, darling, you don't want to miss it. And you know, buying clothes as a student is not easy. It's hard in the streets, it's hard in this world. So, with all those ideas, don't shut either one of them down, because I know it might seem trivial and it might seem like, but these are basic things. But let me tell you this, you might not know this, but in the South African economy, as it was last year, the one of a recession, that one, a man made 11 billion rands. In that year alone, he added 11 billion rand to his net worth. Now let me tell you, do you guys understand that a billion is 1,000 millions? And so not everybody becomes a billionaire, huh? And for him to be able to make 11 times of that tells you that there's money in the economy just waiting for you to clench and grasp it with your claws. Don't be afraid, guys. Let me tell you something. Don't be afraid to secure your bag. If you need a goal, you know what I'm saying? Kick anything in the way, kick any obstacle. Let me tell you, don't be afraid. Let me tell you something. Kanye Mbao, the legendary, said, money loves me. Money finds comfort in me. Money cries on my shoulder. Let's start the games, games. If there are other ways to make money, please also comment them down in the comment section. I also want to secure my bag. Darling, don't look at me and say I'm good. No. So don't be afraid to make money, girl. Don't be afraid to do that. Let money love you. Because let's not lie, we all sabawili lent MIB is a root of all evil. Don't lie. Well, that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you, I appreciate you, and I support you. Guys, please, if you're starting an initiative, if you're running a business, if you're running a brand, please comment it down below in the comment section, and I'll be definitely sure, and I'll make sure I definitely check it out, right? Yeah, please remember, this is how we're gonna make money, right? Nobody's getting left behind. Are we on the same channel? Are we together? Are we on the same page? I hope so. Bye.